van driver was caught stealing in the store. When he was confronted by a cop, he pulled a knife on him and then fled. Unfortunately, the outcome was fatal for several people.
I'm going eastbound, he's driving westbound in the west highway. That's why he was being chased by one, now 3 more cop cars are coming. Here's a 4th cop car. And the thing is, I was making my way over to the right, and he was in one of the center lanes. I almost got hit. If I stayed in the left lane, I would have been fine. Oh my god, now there's a parade of police in the westbound lane. There's like 20 cop cars, and there's still more cop cars coming the wrong way on the eastbound. Well, the thing is, they've already passed, so I don't know why there's more cops coming this way.
This driver of Mustang forced this lady to pull over. Check out what he does next.
Are you drunk, by the way?
I'm not drunk, not at all. I think you're drunk because you've been honking behind me for no reason. There's a car coming and I'm stopping. Don't ask me anything. You stop in front of me on the way. I have to go somewhere. Take your car. You're not the police, okay?
I'm a veteran.
Get out. Get out of my way or I'm going
You're
to call.
swerving in and out.
I didn't do
You're
anything.
swerving.
Get out of
Did you
my
see
way.
that
Take your
work?
car from my place. Take your car.
What are you going to do?
What
are you going to do?
Get your
What are you
car.
I'll
I'm
call
not
your
going to
phone.
do anything.
I'll
Call the police. Call the police. If you're call the police.
My dash cam is
okay,
going to show
call
them.
the police.
You almost hit
Call
2 people.
I didn't do anything. You stop it.
almost
Are you
hit 2
cheating me?
people.
Get out. Get on. Get on.
I've taken it before and I've hit it. It makes me panic.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
What the hell?
That guy just blew right through the yellow.
Wow. You're in the wrong
You're in
lane.
the wrong lane to turn, you dummy.
Yeah.
Oh. Jesus. What the f*** are you doing? You guys just pulled a Yui. That's a red light, buddy.
Driver pulls out without checking for traffic.
Kidding me? What the f***, you f***ing idiot? You!
These 2 bikers almost gets taken out by careless driver.
Right through the red light, right through the red light. Linden Avenue and St. Clair, 9:30. License plate, Sierra Echo 7374, bus number 39875.
Dashcam recorded a really powerful tornado which happened in Lincoln, Nebraska.
What the f? Jesus Christ. 8YTH
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right on Fell Street.
Some drivers definitely deserve to have their license taken away.
I got that on fucking camera.
Driver on the right tried to make a legal left turn and unfortunately caused crash, leaving both cars destroyed.
You just watch the whole thing. Put on your hazards, man.
He can't turn.
Hey.
He can't turn. His car is disabled pretty much.
I can't really get out too easy.
Right.
He's gonna try and go.
No! What the f are you doing?
Road rage is pointless and dangerous. Check out outcome of this one.
Keep left to US 101, San Jose.
The water that's expected to flow downhill here as the water flows into the Gulf of Mexico could take several days. And that
Well, nice one, mate.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.